Okay, so we talked about the 4 P's last time. The 4 P's to making you wild, crazy money. More than you ever have before, just doing stuff that you already know how to do. The 4 P's are the actual foundation, and that is proficiency. Baby, what are your skills? Because the skills that you have in your head now are $1 million skills. You don't have to learn anything else. You don't have to go back to school. You don't have to get any more certifications. You have it already. Proficiency. What are your passions? Because if you are not passionate about it, you won't stick to it. What problems can you solve for people? Now, again, it doesn't have to be a bad problem. My problem might be that I need the perfect red dress for Friday night. Okay. And if you help me solve that, then I'll pay you to solve that. There are stylists who find clothes. So anything that you do and are proficient at, and there's a problem, you can do what? Profit. That's the last P. I have the skill. I'm proficient. I have the passion. People are looking to solve a problem that I can profit from. Those are the 4 P's. So today, listen, I want to create a digital product based on those 4 P's. Whatever your topic is, I explained last time how you can figure out what topic works best for you based on the 4 P's. But let's go on and create our digital product. We're going to do this using ChatGPT. What I like to do with ChatGPT is I like to tell ChatGPT to tell me how to talk to it. Because listen, this AI stuff is new for all of us. But you can ask this thing anything and it will just give you the best. So you always want it works off of prompts. So the way that I do it, I already created this. What is the best ChatGPT prompt to create a curriculum for my online course about healthy living as a diabetic? I just created that. In the last video, we talked about creating a course based on diabetes. So I'm just using this as an example. So let's click that up button. And it says, here's the prompt that can be generated. And it goes on to generate an amazing prompt for you. Very detailed. Okay, so the prompt reads, create a detailed curriculum for an online course titled Healthy Living for Diabetics. This course should guide diabetics on how to manage their health through lifestyle changes, focusing on diet, exercise, and mental wellness. Include modules, lessons, and practical exercises for each of the following key areas: introduction to diabetes, nutrition for diabetics, exercise and physical activity, monitoring medications, health, mental health and stress management, building a healthy routine, community and support systems. And you go down, it goes even further. For each module, include learning objectives, practical exercises, resources and tools, and assessments. Ensure that the curriculum is easy to understand and action-oriented, enabling diabetics to feel confident in managing their health day to day. Now, I didn't read every little bit, but baby, that's a heck of a doggone prompt. So we are going to copy this whole freaking prompt and paste it down here. And we just told it, tell me what the best prompt is. And now I'm going to copy that prompt in, and now it's going to actually create the curriculum that it said up above. Here's a detailed curriculum for the online course titled Healthy Living for Diabetics. This course is designed to empower diabetics to manage their health confidently and effectively. The power of AI, artificial intelligence, is that you have something in your head and all you got to do is make a suggestion, and it made a whole course for you. Now, here's the course. It has Module 1, the learning objectives. Understand diabetes and its types. Comprehend how diabetes affects the body. Identify and dispel common misconceptions. The lessons. The practical exercises, the resources and tools. And all you have to do for each of these modules, this is a 5, 6, and it's going on. For each of these modules, all you got to do is flesh it in. But guess what's even better? AI will flesh this whole thing. AI will write this whole thing, every single part for you. It'll do it. So this is the curriculum. Now you can go back. This is the curriculum. Now you can go back and say, okay, awesome. This is for my own good because AI probably don't even understand. It's a machine. But I like to say, awesome. Now create the detailed course based on that outline and hit enter. Here's a detailed breakdown of the course. And it gives you lesson 1.1, lesson 1.2, lesson 2.2. And you can keep going as detailed as you want to do, as you want. So say, for instance, you want ChatGPT to create this entire module 1. Okay. Go over here. Create the content and exercises for module 1. Just write that in. Create all content and exercises, module 1. And let's see if it has stopped doing that. We got to wait until it finishes. But you see how you just go step by step. Then you say create all content and exercises for module 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is a whole dadgum curriculum, and it goes for any topic that you are working on, my dear. Okay, so let's see what it does. Here's the full content. What is diabetes, and answers it. Type 1, type 2. Yeah, it answers it. And then here's the exercise. What is blood sugar? And it cannot be easier than this. You've just created your entire course. Now, what you have to do, you can't trust ChatGPT on everything. So you got to read it. You got to go through it, and you have to make sure that it ain't lying. It's telling the truth. But everything is done for you. How long would it have taken you to do this? This is your digital course. Today it's easier than ever to make money doing what you already know how to do. Now, once you create this course with ChatGPT, you go online, you start packaging it. And when I say packaging, you can go on Fiverr and have them create what's called a mock-up. And we're going to look at the mock-up, how that works, going to Fiverr in the next video. Okay? Because I want you to see how to take what ChatGPT created for you, make it look pretty for something online. And what you're going to do with this is you are going to actually create a group and go through all of this stuff. You're going to go through it with your people, with your tribe. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. You can have a free group. You can charge people a price to go through this with them. Let's say you are a diabetes coach, because you've already looked, you saw the people who coach diabetics make a lot of money. You want to be a diabetes coach. You've had the disease, you understand it, you understand the healthy living, you understand the problems, you understand it better than doctors, nurses, and people who don't live with it. Let's be honest, okay? You take that information and you give them all this free stuff, all of the objectives, everything here, let that be free. But then when people want one-on-one coaching from you, you charge for it. And if you don't want this book to be free, if you want to sell this curriculum here for $47 for brand new people who are dealing with diabetics, if you want to sell it for $100, but then you offer your coaching, you just made 2 paydays. $100 for the book or the course, then another fee for them to work with you personally. Now, remember, working with you personally comes at a higher cost. That comes at anywhere from $1,000 and up. That's a high ticket offer, and that's where you really get paid. Okay? Where people who really want that personal touch, personal accountability. They want you. So you have the digital product. You can sell that. You can get everybody who is interested in anything about diabetes to join a group. So it could be people living with diabetes. It could be their support system. You can talk about all of that. You can have inside of this group, you can have experts come, nutritionists come. You can curate an entire experience. The possibilities of what you can do in this community or group is endless. And guess what? Let's say you charge $25, $27 a month. That's a third payday. So you get them in the group, $27. You can sell your digital product. That's another price, $100, $300. And then you can go through and offer one-on-one coaching. That's your $2,500. So you build it and build it and build it and build it. And now you're a millionaire. Just off of listening to little old TJ and her video. Because she showed you step by step. But let's go to the next video because I want to show you what this markup thing looks like. Okay? And we'll also talk about how to start marketing it, how to get people into your group, how to just, build your tribe. Because people won't buy your product. They're actually buying you. They buy your voice. They buy stuff because they like your personality. So I'll see you on the other side. Hey friend, this is TJ and I'm sitting in my think tank, aka the truck. And I just want to invite you to join my school group and learn how you can monetize whatever skill that you have and turn that skill into a monthly income and give yourself the option to leave corporate America. Options are amazing. So the link is in the chat. I also would like for you to like this video and share it with as many people as you think would find this subject matter interesting. I love you to life. I'm so glad that you found me and that I found you because this is going to be a lifelong relationship. I just know it. Okay? Click that like button and I'm going to see you on the other side.